Hello. So this is a video I am making as an overview. First, I will run the program and then I will explain it a bit. So as you can see, the first thing is the item displayed, and there it is showing in a stock or out of a stock. Uh, Second, there is a amount and all the items have a code as in a real vending machine, so user do not have to type the item. Next, I will demonstrate by doing a test. Here I will write the code of the item and then it will ask me to enter the amount. Here even if I enter a stack amount, it will return and dispense the product. And the best part of the program is that it loads infinitely unit until the user type exit to exit the program. So now I will explain this code. This is a function where all the thing of binding machine is defined. Item first of all, in here items, names, products, price, stocks, price amounts, stock amounts. So there V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. There's just code. Then is in here while true, this is a loop display items there. Then in a stock, if item a stock, so else out of a stock. Then user import, choose import select an items or type exit or to quit. Then their item, if I frame a stock, then is out of a stock, please choose another items. Then play payment loaf. Then amount, no, not enough amount, not enough money, please enter a sufficient amount. Then change. Then display dispensing items. Then changes your change money. Then the start the vending machine.